Say hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello.
What he's doing is trying to find a water connection. What he can do then, this is where the connection to the hotel is, the water connection, so he's trying to find it to attach piping to it. So at least then, what he do is attach the piping to the water connection what's at the hotel, and then just take a half a mile along to a fresh water pipe. That's how simple it is. They're digging this foundation now so you can put the pipe in there, put the soil back over it, you just have a water pipe like way Freetown. That's the water pipe that's getting connected now. I just see this is clean, fresh water. Nice clean fresh water, and that's all these people need, just fresh clean water. It's literally how simple it is. You just dug a hole, right, for half a mile, connected the piping, put the water piping in. Why can't these charities do this? All they do then is put the soil back over the piping and then just connects directly through to the slums, which is what should have been done 50 years ago. Charities have been given millions, if not billions of pounds, and haven't bothered doing this. These big CEOs giving themselves hundreds of £1,000s worth of salaries, and you just think, where's the justice? There's no justice for these people who rightly deserve this.
Life.
God bless.
Yes, this is Captain Aberdeen. We are very happy to have pipe-borne water. Thanks to Samoka, who has the humanitarian feeling for this community. And this is Freetown, Sierra Leone. We are in West Africa. And we have been going out without clean water, but thanks to our brother Samoka, who is now giving us clean water and every pipe-borne water. And everybody is happy, the children are happy, our children are going to be safe, and because we are now drinking clean water.
Put our hands together for Samoka.
These people are good, kind people. You know, just like, you just need a little bit of help, and the fact that I've come over here and I've been able to achieve this in such a short space of time. No man, woman or child, 2,000-3,000 people are not going to have to drink dirty water again. Like, they've got nice, clean, fresh water, which is a human basic right, which we in England take for granted. These are good people, and all they want to do is just raise awareness for them.